West Central Prince George's County in Central Maryland, Southeastern Arlington County in Northern Virginia, Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, William County in Northern Virginia,
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern districts of Columbia, West Central Prince George's County in Central Maryland, southeastern Arlington County in Northern Virginia, southeastern Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, Prince William County in Northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in Northern Virginia until 3:15 a.m. At 12:13 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Be with her.
3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing...
So instead of unprecedented, instead of facing a no
matter how you like to be active, Skechers stop.
Flooding includes Arlington, Groveton, Forestville, Huntington, Coral Hills, Fort Belvoir, Woodbridge, National Harbor, Crystal City.
Flash flood watch remains in effect until a flash flood. Flash flood watch continues for portions of Central Virginia.
Deaths occur in vehicles.
District of Columbia in Maryland and the other.
Interrupt this program because of a local weather emergency. Important information will follow.
To activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a local weather emergency. The National Weather Service has issued a
Flash flood warning for our area. It includes Washington, D.C., County, Virginia, Fairfax County, Virginia, Prince William County, Virginia, and Alexandria City, Virginia. It continues until 3:43 a.m. Again, the National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Washington, D.C., Prince Maryland, Arlington, and Prince William County, Virginia, and Arlington City, Virginia. It continues until 3:43 a.m. And Prince William County, Virginia, and Arlington City, Virginia, and continues until 3:43 a.m.
Stone blazed a path against all odds, shattering expectations with perseverance and resilience. By award-winning playwright.
because of a local weather emergency. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for our area. It includes Washington, D.C., Prince George's County, Maryland, Arlington County, Virginia, Fairfax County, City, Virginia. Flood warning for Washington, D.C., Prince George's County, Maryland, Arlington, Fairfax, and Prince William County, Virginia, and Arlington City, Virginia. It continues until 3:43 a.m.
Wakefield.
Yep.
Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for District of Columbia, Southeastern Montgomery County in Central Maryland, Northwestern Prince George's County in Central Maryland, Northern Arlington County in Northern Virginia, Central Halifax County in Northern Virginia, Prince William County in Northern Virginia, the city of Fairfax in Northern Virginia, the city of Falls Church in Northern Virginia, the city of Manassas in Northern Virginia,
District of Columbia, Southeastern Montgomery County in Central Maryland.
Some companies were saying
Arlington County in Northern Virginia.
Flash flooding is ongoing getting flash flooding begins shortly. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Impact. Source.
Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing in northern Virginia. Flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source. Radar and automated gauges. Impact. Life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Arlington, Centerville, Annandale, College Park, Fairfax, Langley Park, Vienna, Forestville, Falls Church, Bladensburg, Mantua, Plymouth Hills, McLean, Roslyn, Howard University, Fort Totten, Gallaudet University, RFK Stadium, Burke. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. And lightning strikes at 54 p.m. Those are safe harbor rain gauges indicating heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the Warren area. Between 2.5 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations.
Game manager Davey Martinez on how there's still a positive vibe in the locker room.
Continue to play hard, and the minute we stop playing hard, the conversations will be in the clubhouse for you. So, we're going to keep playing hard, we're going to keep pushing, and hopefully, we have some of these games we'll come home 1-0, and we'll go from there.
So with the loss, the Nets dropped to 50 and 67. They're now tied with Miami for last place in the NL East, 11 games behind the first place Braves and Phillies. The final game in this 3-game series later today, a 1:05 p.m. start at Nats Park. Paulo Espino will get the start for the Nats. Over to the American League, the Orioles didn't fare much better. They dropped their 10th straight, beaten by the Red Sox 15-2. The O's are now 1-10 in their last 11 games. NFL preseason action on Saturday night. The Ravens came from behind atop the Saints 17-14. PGA Tour stop this weekend is at the Wyndham Championship in Greensboro, North Carolina. Russell Henley sits atop the leaderboard at 15 under par as Tyler McCullough just 3 strokes behind. Kevin Na and 5 others are right behind, tied at 11 under par. Steve Driscoll, WTOP Sports.
It's 12:47. There's no place like Panera or a bite of the toasty, saucy Chipotle chicken avocado.
Beer? Why did Mount Holly turn that warning early up 4 hours?
And a cheesy Chipotle chicken and bacon flatbread pizza in your favorite booth feels just right.